to share to you about the recently discovered coronavirus that we named COVID-19. So before we get into the video, let me introduce our group. My name is Rahmatia Wetuna.
My name is Natasha Indah Putri Lasimpa.
My name is Desi Fitria Ibrahim.
My name is Windy Kartika Kum.
Without any further ado, just keep on watching.
Coronavirus are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infection ranging from the common cold to more severe disease. Such a Middle East Respiratory Syndrome or MERS and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome or SARS. The most recently discovered coronavirus caused coronavirus disease COVID-19.
COVID-19 is the infection disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019.
The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. Some patients may have excess and pain, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, or diarrhea. These symptoms are usual, mild, and begin gradual. Some people become infected but don't develop any symptoms and don't feel unwell. Most people, about 80%, recover from the disease without needing special treatment. Around 1 out of every 6 people who gets COVID-19 become seriously ill and develop difficult breathing. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like high blood pressure, heart problem, or diabetes are more likely to develop serious illness. People with fever, cold, and difficulty breathing seek medical attention.
How does COVID-19 spread? People can catch COVID-19 from others who have the virus. The disease can spread from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are spread when a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. These droplets land on objects and surfaces around the person. Other people then catch COVID-19 by touching these objects or surfaces, then touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. People can also catch COVID-19 if they breathe in droplets from a person with COVID-19 who coughs out or exhales droplets. This is why it is important to stay more than 1 meter or 3 feet away from a person who is sick.
So guys, I will give you some tips to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The first is wash your hands frequently with soap and water at least 30 seconds at a time. The second is avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hand. The third is use a mask when you want to go outside. The fourth is do social distancing or stay away from the other people at least 1 meter. The fifth is cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. And the last is do self-quarantine and stay at home. Stay safe guys. Bye-bye.
That's all our video. Thanks for watching and stay safe guys.